Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to apply for Amazon remote jobs with no experience. Step 1. Go to Amazon's official jobs website. Visit the Amazon Careers page and search for remote or work from home positions. Look specifically for entry-level roles like customer service, support associate, or data entry friendly positions. Step 2. Filter for no experience or entry-level roles. Use filters such as entry-level, customer support, or virtual locations. Many Amazon remote roles focus on communication skills rather than previous job experience. Step 3. Read the job description carefully. Check the basic requirements, often things like good internet, communication skills, time management, and the ability to work independently. Make sure the role accepts applicants without prior experience. Step 4. Prepare a simple but strong resume. Highlight soft skills like communication, problem solving, teamwork, typing, or any customer-facing experience you have, even from school or volunteer work. Keep it clean and clear. Step 5. Create an Amazon Jobs account. Set up your profile, upload your resume, and complete any required assessments. Amazon often uses short skill tests to screen applicants instead of requiring past experience. Step 6. Apply for multiple positions. Submit applications to several roles that fit your skills. More applications increase your chances of getting hired, especially for competitive remote jobs. Step 7. Prepare for the interview. Focus on customer service scenarios, communication skills, and how you handle problems. Amazon often uses behavioral questions based on their leadership principles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.